Nobby, and welcome back to the Twig Science Lab. Last time, we discovered just how much salt there is in the ocean. Spoiler alert, there's a lot. In this investigation, we'll show why the ocean is so salty. We'll need rock salt, at least 50 grams, water from the faucet, a funnel, a hydrometer, a small strainer, a plastic container, a 250 milliliter graduated cylinder, and a measuring spoon. I've added 250 milliliters of water to the cylinder. Because it's water from the faucet, the salt level will be about 0. But let's double check. Yeah, it's sitting at around the 1 mark, which is close to what we expected. When we tested the water straight from the faucet, the hydrometer reading was 1.000. Next, let's add a spoonful of salt to the strainer and place it over the container. Salt is transferred to the ocean when the hydrosphere interacts with the geosphere. When rain falls on rocky cliffs or ocean waves wash over the land, salt and minerals are carried back into the ocean. We'll model this process right here in the lab. The rocky salt represents the rocky shore. We'll pour the water over the rock salt and into the container. Now let's transfer the water back to the cylinder. And use our hydrometer to measure the water salinity. The hydrometer reading has gone from 1 to 1.01, which means that the percentage of salt in the water has increased. But what about the salt in the strainer? Has that changed? You can see that the water has washed away some of the salt, so there's less salt in the strainer. After 1 pour, the hydrometer reading was 1.010. There was some salt left in the strainer. Let's repeat the process 2 more times and record our results. The hydrometer reading was 1.020. There was a little salt left in the strainer. After 3 pours, the hydrometer reading was around 1.025. There was almost no salt left in the strainer. This means that a lot of salt has been washed into the water. When this process happens in real life, rocks and mountains erode or get smaller over millions of years. Our model shows that the interaction between water and land causes the oceans to be so salty.